There will be one fewer international fight on the Uprising Promotion and Creative Sports 10 Fight Gloves over Guns Prom Fight Night at Sabina Park on Saturday, November 16.
5 international fights were originally scheduled, including 2 title belts, but at Thursday morning's launch, the organizers announced that there would be only 4 international fights and 1 local matchup. The 8-round featherweight contest between American Jose Gonzalez and Jamaica Quintana has been called off.
We lost Gonzalez, who actually had a fight about 2 weeks ago, went through the fight clear, but the New York Boxing Commission decided that they didn't want him fight another fight so soon, so they suspended him until the 23rd.
American Carlos Dixon and Edinson Torres of Venezuela in an 8-round contest for the WBC Youth Silver Belt in the junior lightweight class, and Frenchman Yorick Mamedov taking on Eduardo Cordovez for the WBA Fede Caribe title over 9 rounds in the welterweight class are the 2 feature fights on the night. Russian Vladimir Tereshkin will take on Francisco Sylvains in a 12-round heavyweight clash, while Toriano Nicholas opposes Martin Anderson in the local battle over 6 rounds in the junior lightweight division. And the country's #1 female, Lisa Fraser, faces Brittany McFarlane of Guyana in one of 5 amateur bouts.
The fact that boxing is on an upsurge again because of the heavyweight division, right? It trickles right down throughout the whole sport. So now they've said, you know what, we need to move and capitalize on this. So where it is that we could have said, okay, let's do it and start for next year and have more time, we had to capitalize on this opportunity here now with these belts.
It is the first time in over 2 decades that international boxing is returning to Sabina Park, and the media was shown where the action will actually take place.
Sabina Park has turned itself into a very good venue for a lot of different things. And when we thought international boxing, we kind of thought, why not give our commentators something to talk about other than the boxing? Being in Sabina is an event unto itself. I mean, we have hosted some of the greatest cricket matches here. We just thought international boxing would be a great addition to their roster.
OneSpotsMedia.com will be having the fights via pay-per-view from 7 p.m. until midnight. But according to Nicarna Williams of the RJ Arglina Communications Group Marketing Department, there will be an additional plan for those ticket holders.
We have to be mindful that some parts of Europe will be 3 a.m. while the fights are going on. So we're actually going to be holding the matches on the pay-per-view channel, that persons who buy the ticket can go back to watch it for up to 24 hours. So you can watch the match now. Within a few hours it will be uploaded to the site that you can actually go back and watch it again. And if you buy a ticket, you'll have access to that fight or the fights for the night, for the entire 24-hour period.